Here are some of the best golf irons to consider in 2024, and I'll leave everything I'm about to say in the description. So number one, TaylorMade Stealth Irons. Known for their distance and forgiveness, these irons feature advanced technology that help improve accuracy and feel. Number two to check out is the Callaway Rogue ST Irons. These irons offer a great combination of distance and control, making them suitable for various skill levels. They have a large sweet spot for added forgiveness. All right. Number three, you got the Ping G425 Irons with a reputable reputation for excellence, consistency, and feel. The G425 Irons are forgiving and provide a great performance for mid to high handicappers. Number four, the Titleist T200 Irons. Designed for players looking for a blend of distance and workability, they have a sleek design and deliver precise shots. Number five, you got the Cobra King Forged Tech Irons. These irons offer a premium feel and are designed for better players who want a balance of distance and control. Number six, you got the Mizuno JPX 921 Irons, known for their craftsmanship. The Mizuno irons provide excellent feedback and are ideal for players who value their feel in their shots. So when choosing irons, consider your skill level, playing style, and budget to find the best fit for your game. If there's any other ones or you want to say something about it, let me know in the comments.